Hi and welcome back to the channel. I'm not even going to do an intro this time because we're going to go straight in because I've got something exciting to show you. Let me open the boot. Stand here nice and close, 3 beeps, then it opens. Still love that feature. I've received a box, this one, from EVBase, who have sent me some wheel covers. Now, to explain, my favourite wheels on the Tesla, on any Tesla, are the Turbine wheels, the black one. I think they look fantastic. However, they're quite expensive and I don't really want to replace the wheels that are on this car. And the covers, I like them, don't get me wrong, have a look around. It's a good looking car, but I do love the idea of the turbines. So these are Turbine wheel covers. So we're going to open these and we're going to install them. But first and foremost, we're going to get the old ones off. Now, the existing wheel covers on Teslas are relatively easy to remove. It is just a case of grabbing and pulling. But these new ones are a little bit better fit than the old ones. So you've got to get your fingers in the gaps. Don't grab the alloy behind, just the plastic. Give it a bit of a pull and you'll see it start to come off. But then you've got to really kind of grab it hard and pull in the middle, because you've got this middle bit here that grips really tight. So that's the alloy that's underneath. I think it's a great looking wheel independently, to be fair, and I have got some accessories coming where we can actually enhance that wheel, and I will show you those in a future video. But for now, we're going to have a look at these turbines. So I haven't had a proper look at these, so let's open these up together. So let's grab number 1. Okay, so very well wrapped. So, and thank you to EVBase for supporting the video today and providing these for me to have a look at. Really appreciate it. And if you're interested in seeing more of EVBase's products, then click on the link above. And I've got you a discount code. So if you go down to the description of this video, you'll find it there as well as the link. So let's see. Oh, they look great. Look at that. So I said the actual turbine wheel, if I put this off to one side, the turbine I'll show you here on screen, that's the actual original from Tesla. So it's exceptionally similar. And I just think it's a great looking wheel. So it's got the clip on the back, which is exactly the same as the original look. In fact, it actually goes slightly further into the wheel, which is great. So the first thing you look at when you look in these, when you're going to fit these, is you look for the round bit with the where you're going to be able to put your tyre inflator valve. So we work around that, and if we put that in line there, it fits perfectly because this is designed specifically for the Tesla Model 3 Highland, the latest one, the 2024 model. So it's designed for these wheels. And if I line that up, and then we'll just push in the middle and then clip it in all the way around. Oh, that looks ace. Oh, look at that. Let me step back and show you the old wheel versus the new. Oh, that looks really good. And I do love that black. So, okay, let's get all of these out. The bit in the middle is a bit kind of plastic finish, but I imagine there might be a solution to that. So inevitably we've got 4. Let me get these out. A bit rubbish if you didn't get 4. And then see if there's anything left. Yes, there is. So in here we have, I'm not entirely sure what's in this, so let's pop these out of the way and we can discover them together. So this is double-sided sticky tape. I'm not sure where that fits in, but I'm sure we'll make sense of that. These are, they cover that. So they, oh, that's much neater. Yeah, so I can see that covers kind of the unfinished plastic bit in the middle, and it's self-adhesive. So, well, actually, let's see what else is here before I start sticking them on. Let's see what's in this. So it's a little EVBase package. I've actually no idea what's in it. It's exciting. I wonder if they are linked or maybe alternatives. I think they are. I think there's 4 in there. And fantastic. So it's the same as those other plastic bits down there, self-adhesive, but with a Tesla logo. So that will go in the middle with the red on the black. That looks ace. Right, I'm going to put all 4 on, then I'll show you around the car, see what you think. And I'll put these stickers on as well. Love it. And we are done, and they look absolutely incredible. If I show you here on my GoPro, which is the other camera I'm carrying, look, you can't see the original alloy underneath at all. So it just looks like a black alloy wheel with the Tesla logo in the middle as well. That is just stunning. I love the fact that the logo is red, obviously to alongside the fact that Tesla often use the red logo, but with the black wheels, and if you look at the car with the black trim around the windows and then the contrasting white interior with these new black wheels, absolutely love it. Fantastic. So much so, I put the original wheel covers in the EVBase box, and they're going to live in the garage because these things are too good to not have on the car. So once again, thank you so much to EVBase for sending these through. I'm thrilled. I think they look superb. And if you are considering, I would have to say the word, upgrading the look of your Tesla Model 3, your 2024 Model 3, I would recommend these wheel covers all day long. They are just marvellous. Thanks so much for watching. More accessories to follow. Please subscribe, like, stay with me. Look forward to showing you some more. I'm going to go show these off. Oh, fantastic.